Hi everyone, today we're doing an unboxing for the X Layout magnetic iPhone wallet. We just got this magnetic wallet for the iPhone for our friends from Layout. So let's begin. The box looks pretty good. Good package, good box. This is how it looks like. Got it from Amazon. Instructions. Little magnetic ring to put on the back of your iPhone. Put it on the side. So this is how it looks like. There's a magnetic on the back, side, back, has a little clip on the side. And got an iPhone. Good grip. It feels good, good quality. This is for the X Layout. Comes with instructions, magnetic ring to put on. If you don't have any magnetic case, the MagSafe case, you can put the magnetic ring on the back of your case. I'm assuming this is the glue or tape, so you can put on or clean your case. This is for the instructions, how everything works for the magnetic layout. And this is for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Remember, this is for the magnetic card wallet. This is a wallet, so you can put up to 3. You can put some cash on the side, and you can put your cards on the side. Let's see if I can find some cards on the side. It says that you can put up to three credit cards. So I got my Sam's, Venmo, Case, and some Regal. So I got a total of 4. There you go. It looks good, so good quality, good. Highly recommended. Go get it. The X layout magnetic card wallet holder for your iPhone, and also it's a stand. Let's see if you want to put it like watch. You want to watch your movies, or you want to stand it like that, FaceTime on the side. I mean, you can do as many things you want to do. Stands sideways, so it's pretty handy. To Travi, there are some there we go again. You can use it as a stand. Next layout, magnetic pocket card wallet. It can hold up to it says it can hold up to 3 according to the manual, but I put 4 easily, and you can put some cash. And to tell you the truth, you can put even more cards on the side. I will put the link where you can get it. I get it from Amazon, and they told me if I purchase from the link, they can give you a discount too. So go get it before they're gone. Bye guys.